Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, there's a Yoruba little ditty that goes More Molereko Ajawewu Orosho. So now I don't know quite how that translates in English fully, but it says about the wonderment of a spectacle that you have seen. So now guys, I bring you this. Bobrisky finally unveils the identity of his beau as he shares photos of him. So Bobrisky, of course, are not a stranger to anybody listening to this video and watching this video. You all know who Bobrisky is, and this is the headline that we're now contending with. Bobrisky finally unveils the identity of his beau as he shares photos of him. So now let's now meet the new Mr. Bobrisky. Bobrisky has finally shown off the love of his life, who he popularly refers to as Beau. The cross-dresser and self-acclaimed Nigerian male Barbie shares photos of the man Henry Ike, whom he described as his world, on his Instagram page this afternoon. The wait is over, and that ends with 3 exclamation marks. So the wait is over. I am not the type of person that likes to bring my relationship here, but sometimes decisions change, and I remember asking for your permission to do this. You asked me to go ahead. Thanks for everything you do to myself and my family. Have fought so bad for true love to boom. You came into the picture. I love you, at Henry Ike, he wrote as he shared photos of the man. So here is now the fella. You can see him on your screen, and that is Bobrisky's partner. In another post, Bobrisky, whose real name is Idris Okuneye, dismissed claims that he was clout chasing. Do you think I have time for clout? No way. Before uploading my beau, I thought about it deeply. He is a darling and deserves to be celebrated. You all know I don't care about your opinion though. Baby, at Henry Ike, read, comment, and laugh, he wrote. So he's inviting the guy now to mock the comments that is certain to follow this post, and of course comments follow. So let's just capture a few of those comments. Anonymous: so Bob is no longer a cross-dresser but gay. Make I grab my nyash, they run. So that is what that one has to say. Vincento the Elf: hit the like button if it's 419 to you. So I'm not quite sure who the 419 is, Bobrisky, his partner, or both. Here is Omo Licha. Ha! Bobrisky, you are wicked. So fine guy, shey you no see BC Alani? Why this guy? Oh no, I can't believe this is true. Bobrisky is joking. Pretty, good, well-mannered babes, plenty everywhere now. And that ends with a question mark. So of course you all know what the sort of comments will be. Let's just take a couple more. Should we be calling Dubai police in here for this Henry guy? This display of affluence is questionable. So that's an anonymous. Another anonymous: the guy looks like more fit version of Monfa. So they are already aligning the guy with the Hush Puppy Monfa sort of a crew. Anonymous again: so a normal person is actually dating this makeup made Bobrisky. Bobrisky has constantly flaunted in their eyes of Nigerians, yet no one has ever arrested him. Nigeria is a lawless country that only oppressed the poor. So I'm not quite sure where that one is going. Let's round it off with this last comment. You can tell Bob is only flaunting the guy's wealth, and from their chat you can tell Bob is the one chasing the guy and they are not actually dating. And no Igbo guy in his right mind will flaunt this nonsense unless he's an outcast and don't have family. So he's an outcast, that should read, but and this person wrote. Let's just last comment. Anonymous: with all that money this nigga can't buy Pussy. So this is now the response. It's just jokes, really. You can only really laugh at this. But there you have Bobrisky again presenting this guy. I'm not sure if they're in a relationship or not. I am in no position to confirm that to you. So we can only go by his words. And he has now put the picture of this guy in the public space. So of course this guy is a person, and he must be aware, of course, that this is going on. So how he now responds will give us more light, will shed more light on the actual validity or truth of this situation. But Bobrisky again, never one of the headlines, has now come out with this bombshell again. What says you? Come share thoughts, conversations in the comment section. I'd like to know what you are making of this now new revelation by Bobrisky. But before you come share thoughts, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Once you've done all three, come tell me now what you're making of this now new revelation by Bobrisky in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section, but here I say